Hey guys, Chris here with Coastal Steel Structures, and on this channel we provide the best tips, information, and showcase how people are using their prefabricated steel buildings. And if you're new to the channel and you like what you've seen, don't forget to like and subscribe. And in this video series, we're going over popular metal building sizes by industry. Today we're going to cover the 80 by 150. Now let's get to the video. Agricultural storage. An 80 by 150 metal building delivers 12,000 square feet of storage space in a long, narrow design. High-pitched roofs are available to accommodate large hay bale stacks, and large doors can be installed on all sides for large machinery. Manufacturing facility. 80 by 150 metal buildings utilize a column-free design which supports most manufacturing requirements. Walls and doors can quickly be installed to separate different manufacturing processes, departments, storage, and office spaces. Commercial use. An 80 by 150 footprint is ideal for businesses that require lots of open floor space for display and storage, including garden shops, furniture, or appliance distributors. This building size can also be used for strip malls and office buildings. Residential use. Barndominiums is quickly growing in popularity as a low-maintenance, affordable building option for homes. The 12,000 square feet of space can include a workshop garage and living quarters. The vast structure can easily house large families with 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Thanks for checking out this video. Let us know if you found this video helpful or if you'd like us to cover a specific topic in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you haven't done so already. An 80 by 150 metal building delivers An 80 by 150 metal building delivers 12,000 square feet of storage. An 80 by 150 metal building. He hates me right now. High-pitched roofs are available to accommodate large hay bale. 80 by 150 metal buildings utilize a column-free design, which supports 80 by 150 metal buildings. What am I doing? What is this?